Oh my goodness, I see some eggs.
Yeah.
Do you see any?
Yeah.
Do you want to go gather them and put them in your basket?
Let's see if we can find some.
Mama, see.
Well, let's see. Where are they?
What I see. Okay, here they are.
You need Daddy to hold baby so you can use your hands better? You know, hold on, baby. You can use 2 hands. Okay, find out.
Let's go find out.
Do you see any eggs?
Yeah, I do. Ah.
Boy. Oh, goodness. Hiding there, huh?
It was this.
It looks like a carrot. That's weird.
Maybe the Easter Bunny left carrots too.
It's really strange. I want some specials in that. What
Let's see. What is that? A choo-choo train. Did the Easter Bunny leave you a choo-choo train? Well, we better put it in your basket.
Okay, oh boy. Getting pretty big, huh?
Open.
You wanna gather them up first, and we can open them
We
in
still
the house?
got some more eggs to gather, and then we can open them.
Why don't we get all the eggs and then we open them inside? What do you think about that?
Look, Iris, I see another egg.
Uh-oh. What's that on? Is there something on a bicycle? Oh my goodness. Oh boy.
All right, let's see if we see some more eggs. I see another egg.
That's weird. Oh boy. You need Daddy to help
Oop.
you with that one? Oh my goodness. We'll throw in that in the hole. Oh, there you go.
I can't open the egg and stuff. I see another one. Another one. Another one.
Boy.
Here. Daddy.
Can you get those, or do you need help?
Oh, I can do it.
I got it.
Have you? Roll it forward a little so the kickstand is.
What else is there? Oh no, is that another carrot? That's kind of silly.
Let's look around here, honey.
What's over here?
Do you see anything on that stump?
Oh my goodness.
Let's see. Where else are there some eggs? Do you see any over there? What's going on over here with your tractor?
my goodness, what is that? That's like a car or something.
Do you think there might be some other eggs?
Other egg.
Woo!
Oh, there's another one.
Another one.
Oh my goodness. Boy, let's see. Yellow over there on a wheelbarrow.
Let's see if there are any more.
Oh, looking around.
Let's see. Oh, I see something purple and glittery.
Oh, I did see
Does
it.
your baby have eggs? Okay. Oh, you found some? Oh boy.
And look, Iris. Iris.
Hey, what's up by Mom's water bottle?
Another one.
Another one.
Let's see.
Let's keep looking at the bike. Do you see anything on the trailer?
Hey, wait a minute. It's an orange thing?
You found
That's your old
Bubbles.
Bubbles.
That's old Bubbles.
What's the,
What is this on the end of the trailer? Look back here, Iris. Outside the trailer.
see something orangey?
Iris. 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 What's that? What's this?
Oh, there.
I don't wonder where's the camera. They need to watch it.
Oh, you watch this up? Okay.
Another one?
Oh, my goodness. That one looks like an airplane.
There might be some more in the gazebo. Shall we look and see if there's more in the gazebo?
Wait a minute. I see
That's the
something,
night.
something green over here.
What's that?
You see that up there? You see it? I wonder if there's. What about the other corners? Got eggs. What is that little bug? There's something else. Yeah, put those in the basket.
Is there anything in your little hopper?
Your little bug? Oh, what's that?
From her birthday.
Yeah. That's from all the decorations. Iris, what about little bug? Something a little bit weird about little bug.
That's mine.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, do you see anything
Did the Easter
strange
Bunny
about-
leave any eggs on?
see anything
your little
strange
hopper?
about little bug?
The bunny gave me a 5 with it.
Oh, he gave you the high five yesterday?
Uh-huh.
He must have knew he was going to give you some good eggs.
Do
Well,
you,
Iris,
do you see
I
anything
think I
on
see
Little
something
Hopper?
a little strange over here.
Whoop.
Hey!
An egg. Can you carry all those eggs? I think I see one more egg, and
Maybe all ones
that's
I see.
it.
I see one more egg, Iris.
Do you see any eggs over here, Iris? On the porch? Maybe on the porch
Christmas
rail?
lights?
Do you see any eggs up on this thing? One more egg.
You got maybe all the eggs. I think you got them.
That's a ball. You can grab it if you want.
I think you got it.
Happy Easter.
Oh my goodness.
Can you say Happy Easter, Iris? Can you look at the flip and say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.